If it's time for a new look, it's time you hung out with us in the Golf Cart Garage. And it's time for Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. Right now on GCGTV.
Hey, welcome back to the garage for Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. By now, maybe you know the drill. We'll announce our sweepstakes winners for this month at the end of today's episode. And we hope you'll visit our series homepage. We'll put a link in the video description too, so you can see every episode, follow the transformation, and enter the sweepstakes. We have double the monthly prizes this season, and just like season 1, a real viewer is going to win a real $3,000 grand prize, so they can make over a golf cart just like we are. We even made a video to walk you through the entry process, so go check it out and enter to win big for your cart too. Your ticket for today's episode buys you the whole seat, but you'll only need the edge. I've always wanted to say that. Today, we're moving forward on customizing our 2006 EZGO TXT by installing MadJax Tsunami seats. And I know, anyone can slap new seats on a golf cart, but
Are you sitting down for this?
they're American-made, stitched in Georgia, awesome quality. The front seat cushion came with a hard shell backing, which we don't see very often. And even if you don't drive the TXT we're remodeling today, we can help you find these front seats and rear seats for your cart in a vast array of color options right here at Golf Cart Garage. We chose the black and liquid silver with lagoon gray for our color scheme, but there are a ton of options available to fit your project too. Look, no one appreciates a comfortable place to take a load off more than I do. And I have to say that MadJax went above and beyond when it comes to comfort and innovation here. The Tsunami cushions are a durable, UV-stabilized, marine-grade vinyl to help prevent fading. The backrest cushions have integrated headrests. The bottom cushions have cell phone pockets.
Yeah, but my pants have cell phone pockets.
There's lots of unexpected extras here that make them one of the most premium seats we carry. And no matter what you think of them, I can tell you from experience that they are a big upgrade over trying to drive this vehicle with no seats. That was unpleasant. The MadJax Genesis 250 rear seats we installed have some really great features too. We expected quality and durability, and we weren't disappointed. Again, we found a great step-by-step installation video from MadJax, and we really liked the easy assembly, the integrated cooler and storage compartment, and the corrugated cargo platform once the seat cushion was folded out. Also, the edge of the cargo platform is supported by a nicely designed lip on the safety grab bar that helps give more stability for heavier cargo. The seats we're replacing have definitely seen better days, and just like the Storm body kit we installed last time, this had a dramatic impact on revitalizing and transforming this buggy. So even if you're not fully remodeling, these Tsunami seats can be an awesome way to update damaged or outdated seats and give your cart that custom look. And they're available for lots of different models. And now that we've got this upgrade done, we think it looks pretty good topless. Sorry, I couldn't resist. That said, next time we'll look at some great American-made options from Red Dot as we install a sunshade canopy top and a tinted windshield fit to the Storm body kit for an awesome aesthetic match. So don't miss out on the rest. Make sure to visit the series homepage at the link in the video description for sweepstakes details and to enter our monthly drawing. It's quick and painless to enter, and you can re-enter each month for even more chances to win. Entries are open now for our May giveaways, so don't wait. Check out the homepage to enter for your chance to be one of the 6 May winners, or submit your video entry to be considered for the $3,000 grand prize in our series finale. Here are the 6 lucky winners taking home Golf Cart Garage store credit this month. Third prizes this month go to Jen M. from Virginia, who won $50 for her EZGO RXV, and Bruce L. from Idaho, who won $50 for his club car. Second prizes are being awarded to Joe R. from Texas, who won $100 for his Yamaha golf cart, and to Colby C. from Louisiana, who won $100 to outfit an EZGO cart as well. And cheers to our first prize winners for this month. Jane P. from Georgia won $200 for her club car, and Craig W. from Nevada won $200 for his Yamaha G22. Make sure you bookmark that homepage so you can follow along and enter to win big for your cart too. Congratulations to our winners from all your friends here in the garage. If there's anything at all we can do to help with your project, just stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.